Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing a model box set that has been kindly sent out to me. If you check the description box down below, you'll find a direct link to Model Box's web store where you can subscribe to the service. So let's open the box first of all. And as we can see, this is May's Myth and Legends box, and we can see some of the contents that we'll be getting in the box. But let's just show you what we get. So first of all, we get some really cool bases, and I believe they're 40mm or they're 50mm, 40 or 50mm off the top of my head, guys. And they've got some really nice stone, cobbled stone effect on them, and they'll look brilliant as toppers on existing bases, or you could just use them as normal bases as well. You also get, which I actually have these at the moment, and I think they're absolutely fantastic, Army Painter Tufts. Now these are absolutely brilliant to liven up your bases on your miniatures, and they're so simple to use. I'll just show you quickly if I can just take them out of the packaging. I believe these are self-sealing or sticky. Yes, they are, but I always put a drop of glue on the bottom of them, and then I place them on the base like so. And as you can see, you put those on a base and they look fantastic. So we get some Army Painter Tufts. I'll just pop that away. We also get a really cool Jim Fitzpatrick fantasy miniature, and I'll just take that out of the packaging if I can, just to show you. That's a really detailed miniature, that is. Lovely. All in one piece as well. His sword's a little bit bent, but nothing a little straightening out won't solve. There we go. Straighten that out somewhat. But as you can see, beautiful weighty metal miniature there. We also get another metal miniature. This is Dark Fable, and as we can see, it's a female with 2 daggers. It comes with a little base as well. We get these, which I think are really cool, and I will be using these on my bases on miniatures. Little tiny pots, metal pots that are just going to add a nice little decorative touch to fantasy miniatures. So I think they're brilliant. So those are from Steve Barber Models. We also get some Haribos, and who doesn't like Haribos, guys? And last but certainly not least, guys, we get some Army Painter paints. Now, if anyone's seen my thorough review of the Mega Paint set, you'll know that I really like the Army Painter paints. So this is a really nice addition to May's hobby box. Now, I do want to apologise for the lateness of this review. It's because I've fallen behind on review, so apologies for the lateness of this month's hobby box unboxing. But if you're interested in signing up to this service, don't forget to check the description box down below. Also, please hit the like button, guys. It's really appreciated. It helps spread the message of my videos even more. And leave a comment if you subscribe to Hobbybox. Let others know what you think of the service. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.